Yep.
Good.
Yourself is probably the most forgiving thing you can crash into. You're all soft and squidgy.
What's front wheel? Blue?
Blue is front.
Right. Oh, something's happened, Will.
Your propeller is on you somewhere.
Oh,
There it is. It's down there.
we've lost the prop already.
That's
It's
why.
gone too hard.
That's why you is the best thing to... Oh, there's another one on you somewhere. You got both of them. Right, have I got that the right... No, I've got them on the wrong way. Hang on. This is why we practice indoors.
Good idea.
Because if this happened on the grass...
You never find them, would you?
It's always a shame to use spare parts on the first day. Yeah, don't... Oh! If you're in an awkward spot, you don't really want to take off from there. So say, where I am now,
Yeah.
if I was new to it, I wouldn't take off from there. Pick her up,
In the middle.
put her somewhere more spacious. Because what will happen is you'll just launch it into an even more awkward position. Oh. Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier.
They're very sensitive, aren't they?
Mm-hmm. And these are in easy mode as well. Basically, look, if you go hovering ground effect, she'll drift somewhere, because she's a hockey puck now. She's like, you ever played Air Slammers?
Oh, right.
It's like that. So, yeah, that's where this is. I mean, ground effect hovering is really good at getting used to the sensitive controls of this, because the slightest touch down here, if I go full stick, she's really scatty.
Right.
So you get used to very subtle. But you'll notice flying, she behaves very differently from ground effect.
Yeah.
Ground effect, she's really scatty, whereas up here, you can twitch her about quite a bit, and she won't go flying away. Oh, mine's got low power warning, so I have to bug out. Yours will be okay, because mine's got a bad battery, so I have to stop, but you can carry on. Good flip. Did a flip on your first flight? Try and see if you can get her to stay in one spot.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Oh, so you don't want ground effect to do that. You want to be up here, where you can make sudden movements and it won't make the drone fly away. Oh.
Oh, no.
If you ever think you're going to crash, first thing you do, throttle down. Just immediately cut throttle. Eh.
Oops, sorry.
It's treat the throttle stick like the trigger on a gun. If you're not intending to use it, don't put your finger on it, basically. That's good.
Can you put it in the centre of the room?
Good save. Most people fly into the ceiling in that situation. He's starting to get the hang of it. If you lose sight of it when it's near the ground, it's better just to cut the throttle and let it drop, because what will damage this is not a low level fall. What will damage it is chewing its prop against something that you can't see. Throttle off. Yep, you've lost the blade. It's gone down there.
It's crazy. I'll get used to it in a minute.
Just make sure they're on nice and
Only
tight.
run out of time.
I don't know if they've made these so that the props come off more easily, because yours seem to be coming off more easily, but that means you don't chew them so much, so more likely to lose but less likely to break. And that's time.
Battery's running out now. Flashing.
Yeah. When it flashes like this, you probably have about, I don't know, maybe 40 seconds of flight left in her, and that's basically, you know, it's time to come home, really. It's better for the battery, though, to stop flying when it gives you this warning, because that extra power is really just, it's reserve. It's for emergencies. So, there we go. That's first flight.
10 crashes.